Welcome to the last part of our video presentation, in which we will now try to discuss the different, or let's say the two formats, or the two organizational patterns you can use so that you can efficiently write the significance of your study. So let us have first the first format by having this example. Okay, so we have here a sample of the significance of the study. So let's try to highlight some phrases in this example. Okay, so first we have leaving several researches to prove its medicinal capabilities. Catmon leaves contain botulinic acid, which is a potential antimicrobial triterpene. The study will enhance involvement in the field of microbiology and human pathology. This study can help boost the crop yield of farms as well as it can help control the widespread of diseases. This study will help the growth and development of produce in agricultural industry as well as the growth and development of medicinal alternatives in the medical industry. It also states that the findings may also serve as a guide to those microbiological studies. And lastly, the study will encourage the further research. Okay, so class, in your own inference and perception, which is more highlighted in this kind of organizational pattern? Did this kind of organizational pattern highlighted the benefits, or let's say, does the organizational pattern highlighted the beneficiaries? Beneficiaries. Okay. So class, based from our encircled statements, we can infer that this organizational pattern in writing the significance of the study highlighted what are the benefits and contributions the study can offer more instead of highlighting who could benefit from it. Okay, so in other words, class, this format of writing the significance of the study highlighted the benefits more than the beneficiaries. Okay, the beneficiaries. So there are still beneficiaries mentioned in the flow of paragraphs. However, class, if you are about to compare it with the encircled statements, they are considered to be less stated than the mention of the benefits, okay? The beneficiaries, okay, are less stated than the benefits the study can offer. Hence, class, this organizational pattern where we try to highlight the benefits and contributions more than the beneficiaries is known as contribution-centered beneficence. Okay? So, contribution-centered beneficence, okay, the significance of the study highlights the possible general contributions of the study more than the beneficiaries. Okay? In contrary, we have the next example. Okay? So we have here another example of the significance of the study. So let's try to take notice of the words in boldface type. So we have here learners, we have here research teachers, okay, we have here school heads, we also have curriculum developers, we have bureau directors in the Bureau of Learning Delivery, education program specialists, and finally we have future researchers. Okay, so unlike our previous organizational pattern class, we have here words that are highlighted in boldface type. So notice, class, in this format, we try to highlight some words in boldface type. Okay, and what is the similarity of these words highlighted in boldface type? Okay, class. So these words highlighted in boldface type are actually, let's say, address to some people. And these people are actually the beneficiaries of your study. Okay? Therefore, class, in contrary to our first format, which is the contribution-centered beneficence, this format in our example class highlights the beneficiaries more than the benefits. Okay? And this kind of organizational pattern where the beneficiaries is highlighted more than the benefits is known as beneficiary-centered beneficence. Okay? So in this format, the significance of the study highlights the possible beneficiaries of the study more than the contributions. Okay? Okay, so here we highlight the beneficiaries of the study as well as what are the benefits they can get from the study. However, we put emphasis more on the benefits than the let's say we put emphasis on the beneficiaries more than the benefits they can gain from the study. So in writing this kind of organizational pattern, you would want to start with a one paragraph that highlights the general importance of the study before proceeding with the paragraphs that will highlight the beneficiaries and the benefits they can obtain from your study. Okay? So in summary class, our first format in writing the significance of the study is known as the contribution-centered beneficence, whereas we try to highlight the benefits or let's say the contributions the study can offer more than the beneficiaries. However, class, in our next format, which is beneficiary-centered beneficence, we try to put emphasis on our beneficiaries more than the benefits. And to put emphasis on such beneficiaries, we highlight them in boldface type. Okay? So this concludes our discussion about the significance of the study.